What's up, everybody? Happy Thursday. Is it really happy? Look at this fucking rain. Sucks. It's kind of cold out here. I haven't been cold for a while.
Not since back when that bitch broke my heart.
No. But, yeah, honestly, like, cold. It's like, it's been like, fuck, it's like a couple weeks. Oh shit, something paranormal. It's a fucking dog. Out of nowhere.
Oh. Ah! 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 Alright, everybody! Ah!